Hello traders. In this video, I'll show you how I create my own trading robots without coding. Since I'm not a programmer, I use tools like EABuilder.com to build automated trading systems. Today, I'll guide you step by step through creating a simple moving average expert advisor that you can use in MetaTrader. Let's get started. I'm going to create a new strategy and name it MA Crossover. Now let's add the conditions for a long trade. The fast-moving average must cross the slow-moving average from below. This is our buy signal. I also set a stop loss and a take profit to manage risk and lock in profits. For short trades, we do the opposite. The fast MA must cross the slow MA from above. This is our sell signal. Again, we'll apply the same stop loss and take profit settings. I can also customize various options. For example, when exactly I want the EA to open trades, how many trades it's allowed to open at once, and even how it manages money. I can choose between a fixed lot size for every trade or use percentage-based risk based on my account balance. This flexibility lets me adjust the EA to fit my trading style. After creating my first EA, I copy the entire code and open MetaEditor. I create a new expert advisor and name it MA Crossover. Then I paste the code into the editor and simply click Compile. Now, my new EA is saved and ready to use. You'll find it directly in your MetaTrader platform. Now we will open the strategy tester in MetaTrader and find our new EA MA Crossover. We choose the time frame and make sure to select every tick based on real ticks to make our backtesting as accurate as possible. We can also change all the settings that we selected when creating the expert advisor in EABuilder. Now let's test whether our new expert advisor works, whether it opens trades when the moving averages cross, and whether it applies take profits and stop losses as expected. Currently, it's not important whether it generates profit or loss, but whether our code is functional. As we can see, it works exactly as we wanted. We can let this backtest run to completion. And by the way, if you enjoy this kind of content and you're interested in trading, don't forget to follow me for more content. I would also be grateful for shares and likes. As we can see, we would be in profit with very low drawdown, which is definitely positive. It shows that even a very simple strategy can be profitable. Thank you for watching. See you next time.